Here is how to see who has unfollowed you on Instagram. Now, there isn't an exact way to see who unfollowed you on Instagram. You can go down to your followers, click on your followers, and you can see who they are following, but there is nothing directly on Instagram that is going to tell you who unfollowed you. Instead, what you're going to want to do is go to the App Store and type in IG followers. Now, you will then see a bunch of different apps that are going to give you an unfollow tracker. That way you can see who is not following you that used to follow you, or who you are following that is not following you back. But this is an outside app that you are then going to log into your Instagram account on and link to your Instagram.